Hello, this is Kacie TV and I'm going to be doing makeup today. We're going to need purple lip gloss, some blush, eyeshadow pad and some brushes. This is a brush for blush and this is Harry Potter brushes for eyeshadow. I'm going to start off with some of this blush. So you go up like this and then you're done with the blush. Now I want to do the purple lip gloss. And try not to smudge it on your face. Now rub it in. And I'm going to do some smoky eyes. I'm going to start off with a nice bright pink by here. And then you get a little bit darker, kind of like an orangey by here. And then you use this one. And then a little bit of a dark purple up the second top. And the final colour is down at the bottom. And then you're done. Hope you enjoyed, and please like and subscribe if you liked it.